Now I want you to imagine, what if you can have all of these PayPal payments sending into your account every single day? I mean, how can that change your life? Because yesterday I just received this payment, $371.67. And again, I decided to share this out to the people, right, to you guys who are on my channel, because I've never talked about this on my channel. This is a brand new strategy that I just started using them recently, and I want to reveal everything on how you can earn this automatic money, right? Now I want you to take a look at this. Let's do the math. If you send us 21 sign-ups in any month, you will earn $125 times 21. You can earn $2,625, you guys. That's a lot of money. Now I'm working my way to making this money, and I'm somewhere between $300 to $500, but slowly I will increase my money to this amount. And now I'll show you exactly my own strategy, how I go from $0 to $300 and how I can go from $300 to up to $2,000. I'll show you everything in this video, step by step, exactly how to do this. Now before we start this video, let me ask you 3 questions. Do you have a phone and internet connection? Because if you don't have a phone, if you don't have internet connection, you cannot do this, right? If you have, it's okay. And number 2, do you have 30 minutes to 60 minutes a day? Because if you want to follow my strategy, you need to put in some time every day, maybe 30 minutes. Right, 30 minutes, you can do it on your phone. Number 3, can you watch this video all the way until the end? Because I'm gonna reveal my exact strategy, right? This is my own secret, and you have to follow me step by step. I'll show you click by click exactly how to do this. I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. And this is worldwide, right? It doesn't matter what country you're coming from. I'm gonna teach you how you can sign up an account for your country and how we're gonna do it step by step, right? I'm really excited. So the first step, you have to go to google.com. Again, I'll show you step by step. Please pay attention, right? And then I want you to type in a keyword Ionos and then search for this. Now you should be able to find the first website here, right? www.ionos.com, Ionos by 1&1. And I want you to click on this link. So now this is the website that we're going to be using, right? This is the first website, and I'll show you 4 websites, right? Because we need to build multiple streams of income, because when you sign up to 4 different websites, you can make 4 money, right? 4 income stream coming in on complete autopilot. So right now, once you land on this website, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website. When you scroll down below, you're gonna see these partner programs, and you will find this referral program, this link right here, and I want you to click on this link. Now, once you click on that link, you should be able to see this, right? Spread the word and earn up to $300. Now, this is really powerful, you guys. If you can do this, right, one day you can earn up to $300. Now, when you first starting out, you might not make up to $300 because as you notice this, they're saying you can earn up to $300 now. Sometimes you might earn $50, sometimes $200, but if you do my strategy, I'll teach you how you can maximize your earning and earn $300. Now, when you scroll down beneath this website, you're gonna see here, recommend us and to earn money automatically, you guys. Now, this is the magic about this strategy because it become more and more passive. When you do this 30 minutes a day with your phone, once after 7 days, right, it become more and more passive and automatic. You're gonna start seeing money coming in. That's why you can see my recent payment that I just show you. If you are able to follow my exact strategy, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna start making money again and again. Now, first step, you have to recommend their product by Ionos, right? Because you're gonna refer this, you're gonna copy this link and then refer them to this product, and you make a sale, you're gonna earn the money. Now, don't get me wrong, because I know that you are watching this, you are probably completely new, you have no experience on how to refer people to this Ionos program. That's why I'm gonna be showing you at the end of this video exactly how you can refer them, and I promise you everyone can do this. You don't need a YouTube channel, you don't need like a big followers or subscribers, you need nothing, starting from 0, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing is you're gonna sign up for an account. So all you have to do, just click on this blue button, start referring now, and then you're gonna jump on to this page. So now for the first section, this is very important. For the Ionos product, you have to select web hosting, okay? Because web hosting, they pay you the most amount of money. The strategy that I'll be showing you today is how you can refer people to web hosting. Now this is gonna be the most powerful strategy that I'll be giving you today at the end of this video. Now once you select web hosting, salutation, you're gonna select, let's say, a Mr. and then just fill up all your details and then click on continue, right? Just a name and an email, nothing special. And then once you complete your sign up process, you are going to receive an email from Ionos. They will want you to verify your email, so make sure that you check your email inbox. Now once you complete this process, we're gonna hang on here because we will come back to this website. But right now, I want to help you to build a second source of income. So right now, let's go back to google.com. Now this is a second website that you can build another stream of income. So I want you to type in HostGator, and then press on search. So by right, you're able to see the first website here, HostGator.com, the best web hosting and domain name, and just click on this link. Now on this particular website, you can do the same thing. You can again refer to people to HostGator.com, and then you can make automatic money. Now the best part about this is that this is even better compared to Ionos.com, right? This one you can make up to $500. Again, this is crazy. Right, this strategy today is crazy, and if you use my strategy at the end of this video, you can earn $300, $500, $1,000. It's really easy for you. When you go on to this website, you have to click on the affiliates here, right? Click on this link, and then you can sign up for free. But again, just let me show you. Now this is the sign up per month. If you get 1 to 5 people sign up, they're gonna pay you $65, right? $65 for 1 people who sign up. This is crazy. And when you're able to refer more than 21 people, and then 1 referral, you earn $125. It is almost double the money. And right now, for me myself, I'm only at about this range, right? 11 to 20, and that's why I'm getting paid $100 per sign up. If I get 3 people, right? If I sign up 3 people, I'll make $300. So I'll be showing you how I did it. But again, so now let's do a quick math. If you can send them 21 signups every month, right? 21 sign up, and 1 sign up, you earn $125. So when you multiply $125 to 21 sign up, you will earn $2,625 every single month. And the best thing about this is just one of the website, you guys. If you combine HostGator.com and you combine Ionos, which I just showed you, and I'll be showing you another 2 websites. I'm giving you 4 different websites. If you combine them all together, you can make a huge amount of money on complete automatic, and I'll show you how to do this in just a minute. But first of all, you have to sign up in order to start earning money. Now first off, click on here, sign up for free, and again, they cover a bunch of different countries. Now the best thing about this company is that they cover pretty much all the country in the world. They cover United States, United Kingdom, and I believe there are a lot of users coming from India, right? So let me show you India right here, India, Indonesia, Philippines, right? Philippines, there are so many different countries. All of you can join here and start earning money. And again, just fill out all your details and click on continue. This is all you need to do. Pretty simple, and to accept you within the first 24 hours. Now again, we're gonna come back to this website in a moment. Right now, we will build the 3rd stream of income, right? So I want you to go back to Google and then type in Bluehost and press on search. So right now, when you scroll down below, you're gonna see this Bluehost.com, the best web hosting. When you click on this link, now you're gonna see here somewhere between you can find affiliates, right? Click on affiliates here on top. Now as you can see here, refer visitors to Bluehost and earn $65 for each qualified sign up. Now if you want to sign up for a free account, just hit on this green sign up button, and then you gotta put in your username, your password, and again fill up all your details, and you have to put in your PayPal email address right here, because they'll send you the payment through into your PayPal account. And for some of you guys, if you don't have PayPal account, it's fine, right? You cannot sign up on Bluehost, but you can do it on Ionos, which I showed you, and also the HostGator.com. So again, right now I'll show you the number 4 website, and again, once we finish up all of these 4 websites, I teach you how to sign up, and then we're gonna go on to the strategy on how you can refer all of this link, all of this web hosting to targeted people, and you can earn money on complete autopilot. So again, right now, let us go back to Google. This is the final website, right? Let's go on to search SiteGround. When you press on SiteGround, and you're gonna see the first link here, web hosting services. Click on this link, and you should be able to see affiliates on top, right? It's pretty easy to sign up. And then as you can see here, 1 to 5 sales, $50 per sale, 6 to 10, $75. If you're able to get about 11 to 20 referrals per month, they're gonna pay you $100 per referral. So what I found is that other company, they pay pretty well, for example HostGator. So I would highly recommend you to focus on this one. But again, we're gonna make money on all of these 4 websites. So now when you go back to SiteGround, just click on join now. Again, just fill out all your details and click on this submit button, and you can register for your free worldwide account on SiteGround.com. Once you finish signing up on all of these 4 websites, so we're gonna think about how we can start refer people to these 4 websites. Now, if you are completely new, right, you don't have any followers, you don't have any subscribers, you have nothing, you have no experience, this is the most powerful method that I'm gonna be showing you. Because for this strategy, you don't need any money to start. This is completely free. You don't need to spend a single dime, right? And then this method, it works worldwide, because if you have a Facebook account, I'll show you how you can use Facebook to get a lot of targeted people to sign up under you. So first up, I'm going to show you when you go on to Facebook, and I want you to type in the keyword blogger, okay? Blogger, and you're going to press on search. And so right now you're going to click on groups, because we're going to filter up and find different groups that you can join for free. Now for here, show only, you're going to filter the results to public group, because you're going to join the public groups that is free, right? You can just join them. So all you have to do, just click on this join button, for example, and you're going to send a request to the admin of this Facebook group. And sometimes they're going to ask you a few questions. Why do you want to join? So now this is very important, right? You have to give them some answer. For example, I'm here to learn about blogging. Because if you are not saying this, they are not going to allow you to join the group, because they're afraid that you are spammer, right? You're going to go in there and just spam some links to refer to other people. So you have to be smart. So you're going to type something like, I'm here to learn about blogging. I'm here to learn something new. And then you're going to click on I agree to the group rules, and then click on submit. Now this is how you can request to join different Facebook group. Now as you can see here, I'm just going to quickly show you, there are hundreds, literally hundreds and thousands of groups that you can join every single day. Now if you are somebody who is coming from specific country, it's even better. For example, some of you guys are coming from Pakistan. Now you can join Pakistan group, as you can see here. And then right here, let me show you United States. You can join a very specific group in your country. For example, you're coming from Asia, you can join Asia bloggers. You can, if you're coming from Canada, you can join Canada SEO and blogger. Now if you want much more specific group, you can even type in your country name right here. For example, blogger Malaysia, right? For example, me myself, I'm coming from Malaysia. Now you can join Malaysia bloggers and social media, Malaysia Ultimate Blogger Club. Because when you join different country in your specific country, now you can use your own language to communicate with other people. That's gonna help you to get more referrals on complete automatic. Now this is gonna be your advantage, because if you are from India, you can speak Hindi, you can speak Indian to other people. Now people more trust you and respect you because you are from the same country as them. This is gonna be your advantage no matter what country you're in, okay? So you can use the same strategy to join them, but there's one tips that I want to give you. Once you join the group, you can only allow to post every 30 minutes, right? Every 30 minutes, you can share a post on Facebook. Now, if you share more than one post every 30 minutes, your post might not be seen by other people, or maybe the admin is going to ban you out from the Facebook group. Now, that's very important for you to do this and follow the 30 minutes rule. And when you do this every day, right? If you spend 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can put up about 10 to 15 or 20 posts on different groups. That's why I recommend for you to join all sort of different groups. So I just join all of them. I would highly recommend you to join about 10 to 20 groups a day, right? If you join more groups in one day, you know, Facebook might think it is fishy, right? So don't overdo that. That's very important. Join about 10 to 20 Facebook group a day. Now you can do it on the next day, and every single day on each Facebook group, you're gonna post one post every 30 minutes. Now by using this strategy, you are gonna get about 1 to 3 signups after 1 week. Now you might not see instant results, but again, this works so well. Now at first, you might get about 1 to 3 signups, you make about a few $100s, and then when you keep on doing the same strategy again and again, your sign up gonna increase every month, and they're gonna pay you more money per sign up, right, by doing that. And you can share 4 different links, because some people, they might like HostGator, some people, they might like ionos.com. So when you give them different options and different choices, they are much more likely to sign up in one of these 4, right? That's why I want you to sign up on all of these 4 programs right here. Now before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, and also right here on the screen you'll see there are more videos that you can watch to learn different ways to make money online. Now check out one of these videos right here on the screen and click on that, and I'll see you on the next video.